Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable FaceTime incoming calls on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Now scroll down to around the center of the screen. There is a FaceTime option. Tap on the FaceTime toggle button to turn off FaceTime or switch it on. Now it says here people can contact you on all your devices with FaceTime using your phone number or email address. And down here you can add in your email address or your phone number. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.